Welcome back to QuizzGlitz. Find the odd one out before time runs out. If you find all of them, please comment below. Can you spot the odd one out? Give this a try. That's right, well done. That's right, well done. Give this a try. You got it! Excellent work! Let's see if you can find this. Don't give up, you can do this. Can you crack this?